What you doing?
We're gonna go swimming.
Why?
Because
Do you like swimming?
I love swimming.
All you gotta do is practice and you'll be faster than that.
Since when do you like swimming? Since yesterday?
Since today.
Good.
Okay, I'm having one.
Okay, where's your sister?
Right there.
Hi, Maggie. Do you like swimming?
Yes.
You sure?
Underwater all the way to you. Checking her out.
Yeah, it stings a little bit. It stings a little bit.
Last picture.
Mom, can we take a shower here tonight?
Film in the car.
Maggie, do you like the shower?
Oh, look at the shower, Maggie.
Shower time! I looked in my bucket.
Maggie doesn't want to get her head wet.
No.
Bucket.